High blood pressure is a condition that affects millions of people around the world, and it's often called the silent killer because it can sneak up on you without any noticeable symptoms. Over time, this can cause serious damage to your arteries and put extra strain on your heart. High blood pressure can also lead to other health problems like stroke and kidney disease. But there are things you can do to help lower your blood pressure and keep your heart healthy. One of the most effective and enjoyable ways to do this is by drinking hibiscus tea. In this video, we will explore how hibiscus tea can help lower your blood pressure, how to make this tea, and share inspiring stories of real people who have benefited from this simple drink. Stay tuned. Let's get started. Hibiscus tea has been used for centuries to treat high blood pressure, and recent studies have shown that it can be an effective, natural remedy. This tart and tangy herbal tea is made from the petals of the hibiscus flower and comes in a variety of colors, from deep red to orange to yellow. But it's the vibrant red hibiscus that has been studied the most for its blood pressure lowering effects. According to experts, the active ingredients in red hibiscus flowers called anthocyanins help relax blood vessels, which lowers blood pressure. Anthocyanins are also responsible for the red color of many fruits and vegetables and have been shown to have other health benefits, such as reducing inflammation and improving heart health. Several studies have investigated the effects of hibiscus tea on blood pressure. For example, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that drinking a cup of hibiscus tea daily lowered blood pressure in people with pre- and mild hypertension. Another study published in the Journal of Hypertension showed that hibiscus tea was effective as blood pressure medication, captopril, in reducing blood pressure in people with moderate hypertension. These studies suggest that hibiscus tea may be a safe and effective alternative or complementary therapy for people looking to lower their blood pressure naturally. However, it's important to note that more research is needed to confirm these findings and that hibiscus tea should not be used as a substitute for medication without consulting a doctor. Now let's discuss how to prepare hibiscus tea. It's a simple process that anyone can do at home with just a few ingredients. Here's what you need: dried hibiscus flowers, boiling water, sweetener of choice, optional, lemon or lime wedges, optional. Start by placing 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried hibiscus flowers in a tea strainer or infuser. Add boiling water and steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the flowers and add your sweetener of choice, such as honey, sugar, or stevia, to taste. You can also add lemon or lime wedges for extra flavor. And that's it. Your hibiscus tea is ready. If you prefer iced tea, let the mixture cool and pour it over ice. You can also add mint leaves or other herbs for a refreshing twist. It's that simple. Just remember to use dried hibiscus flowers for the best flavor and health benefits. You can find them in most grocery stores or online. Now that you know how easy it is to make hibiscus tea, let's take a look at some inspiring stories of real people who have benefited from this powerful drink. The first story is about Joseph, a 62-year-old man who was diagnosed with hypertension several years ago. He was prescribed medication, but he wanted to try natural remedies as well. Joseph started drinking hibiscus tea every day, and within a few weeks, he noticed that his blood pressure had dropped significantly. He was able to reduce his medication dosage and improve his overall health by simply adding this delicious tea to his daily routine. Next, we have Sarah, a 35-year-old woman who discovered hibiscus tea while on vacation in Mexico. She was amazed by the local women who seemed to have low blood pressure despite their age and traditional diets. Sarah learned that they regularly consumed a local drink made with hibiscus flowers, and she decided to try it herself. Upon returning home, Sarah began brewing hibiscus tea daily and noticed a difference in her energy levels and general well-being. She also experienced a decrease in her blood pressure, which allowed her to manage her condition more effectively. These two stories are just examples of how hibiscus tea can benefit people of different ages and backgrounds. It's important to note that not everyone will experience the same results, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or medication. However, the stories of Joseph and Sarah, as well as scientific studies, show that hibiscus tea is a promising natural remedy for hypertension. To maintain healthy blood pressure levels, it's crucial to incorporate lifestyle changes into your routine, such as cutting back on salt and increasing physical activity. Regular exercise can help lower blood pressure by making your heart stronger and improving blood flow. Additionally, practicing stress management techniques like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress-related blood pressure spikes. By combining these lifestyle changes with hibiscus tea, you can create a powerful and natural approach to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Remember, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you're taking medication for high blood pressure. While more research is needed to fully understand the blood pressure lowering effects of hibiscus tea, the available evidence and traditional uses suggest that it may be a valuable addition to your health toolkit. So why not give it a try? You might just discover a delicious and effective way to support your heart health. Now let's take a look at some additional tips for managing high blood pressure. First and foremost, it's essential to adopt a balanced and nutritious diet. This means incorporating plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals, while limiting processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Eating a diet rich in potassium, magnesium, and other essential nutrients can help lower blood pressure by balancing out the effects of sodium. To learn more about the relationship between diet and blood pressure, check out our video on the best vitamins for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. We explore the essential vitamins that play a crucial role in keeping your blood pressure in check. Another important tip for managing high blood pressure is to engage in regular physical activity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week, along with strength training exercises targeting all major muscle groups twice a week. Exercise can help strengthen your heart, improve blood flow, and reduce stress, all of which contribute to lower blood pressure. If you're new to exercise or have certain health conditions, it's essential to consult with your doctor before starting a new workout routine. Furthermore, it's crucial to maintain a healthy weight. If you're overweight or obese, losing even a small amount of weight can significantly lower your blood pressure. You can achieve this by following a balanced diet, increasing physical activity, and avoiding sugary drinks and processed foods. Remember that even small changes can make a big difference when it comes to managing your blood pressure. Finally, don't forget to prioritize stress management. Chronic stress can contribute to high blood pressure, so it's essential to find healthy ways to relax and unwind. Techniques like deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, spending time in nature, or engaging in hobbies can help you manage stress and keep your blood pressure under control. As we wrap up our discussion on hibiscus tea and its potential benefits for high blood pressure, remember that while this natural remedy shows promise, it's not a standalone solution. It's essential to adopt a holistic approach that includes lifestyle changes, a balanced diet, and regular exercise. If you're already taking medication for high blood pressure, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating hibiscus tea into your routine, as it may interact with certain medications. By working closely with your healthcare team and making positive lifestyle changes, you can effectively manage your blood pressure and support your overall health. If you've enjoyed this video and want to learn more about natural remedies and health tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon to stay notified about our latest videos. And feel free to leave any questions or comments you have in the section below. We'd love to hear from you and we'll do our best to respond. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.